Esteban. I want to recommend you to join fastly two SS7 signal channels VIP in Telegram. If you want to win a lot of money, a good money, please join fast to SS7 signal channels, the most accurate signal channels for binary in Telegram. Join now.
Hola, buenos días, soy de Colombia, mi nombre es Diego. Duré 7 meses siguiendo sí, al indicador en el cual pues vi unos buenos resultados y decidí comprarlo. Y he tenido resultados desde que lo tengo. El indicador es muy bueno y me ha generado ganancias. ¿Listo? Para que ustedes no duden en comprarlo. Es un buen indicador, el cual pues gracias a Dios desde que lo tengo se han habido ganancias seguidas. Muy bueno el indicador. El 6.0 Nexus. Excelente. Éxitos. Bendiciones. Gracias.
Hello guys, I want to tell about this SS7 traders, right? Binary traders. I am also using binary traders, and then I using that, following that SS traders signal, because 90% ITMs. Actually, I want to tell about that. That indicator is also very powerful, and if I get one loss from SS7 traders, then that time they giving we another chance to trade too, then loss recover too, because their service is very clear, because and I following daily that there are signals, and I really love to use that indicator because I love it, because I know I see that daily videos I seeing that ITMs more than 5 minutes expire. Don't lost in yourself. Go and hurry up and relax. Get the buy and indicator and relax and go get your good profit. Thank you.
Yo, everybody, man, I'm telling you, I got this robot from SS7 Trader. I mean, this robot is on fire. I mean, I got mine installed, and it's working so perfect. It's making hell of money. I mean, it's not 100%, but I'm telling you, you can get 90% of this winning profit. You need to get yours. I mean, thank you, SS7 Trader. I mean, I got mine. Mohammed hooked me up with this. Thank you, Mohammed, from SS7 Trader. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nal Nishant. I use Muhammad Talha's SS7 strategy to trade in IQ option and buy.com. I could get good profit with SS7 strategy. If you want to get good profit like me with trading SS7 strategy, I recommend to buy SS7 strategy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Alex. I bought a robot MT2 IQ, and just say that this robot is work very good. I already get a very good profit. Just to say that I bought it from SS7 Trader. So you can do like me and buy your own from SS7 and just get your profit. Thank you.
Hello traders, my name is Esteban. I'm from America. This is with a video of withdrawal proof of IQ option. Obviously, this money is totally win with SS7 VIP signal channel of SS7 Trader, as you can see, and in the group of VIP signals. This is totally real. This is my account of IQ option. This is withdrawal proof of obviously this money gain with 7 SS7 VIP signals, as you can see. This is a great opportunity for all people to win money, obviously with VIP signal channel of SS7 Trader. Thank you. Hello traders, my name is Esteban. I'm from America. This is my real account. As you can see, this is operations of SS7 Trader of the VIP signal channel. This is totally real, as you can see. I'm a member of SS7 VIP signal channel. I want to recommend you join to SS7 service signals VIP because this is real opportunity to make some money. Join now.
Otra ganada USJP. Quedan 28 segundos. USJP. USJP. 20. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 y ganado. Una señal euro USD y 30 segundos y ganado. Segundos y ganado. 20, 19, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 y ganar.
Hello trader, I am Durgeseni. I follow SS7 signal from only 2 weeks and look at my result. This is my account balance. I just deposit only $50 and now my balance is 106.81 and this is my trading history of this month. Last 8 signal, all signal are correct. Look at that. My account just double. And I calculate all the years trading signals. This is Thank you very much SS7. You are great and your accuracy is very good. And this is some screenshot that I sent SS7. All wins. only few signals we lost. Thank you very much. Thank SS7. Your signal is amazing.